recipe for Cornish pasties is now on screen. Right guys, the first job we do, got your flour. What you're going to do is put a pinch of salt into the flour. And now we're going to sieve the flour. Though most of these days flour does come pre-sieved really, if it's been in supermarkets for a while, they tend to be very lumpy because they've been lying around for a while. But like for this, there's not much lumps in it because it's good quality flour. Now we'll just do that again. Now for the pie pastry, obviously we've got lard. So that has to be oiled up with the water. Now we'll go and pop that into a microwave. Right. Should be in the microwave for around about 5 minutes, give or take. Right guys, that's long enough. Guys, now what you want to do is make a little well in the middle. You just add in the liquid. Like that. And then you want to bring it into the middle. If any of you guys have made concrete before or cement, it's basically the same sort of thing. You're sort of working it in. Just gently for now. I can work this in. Pick up all the bits first, and then we'll get our hand. That's sort of like, you can see it's already starting to go into that nice paste. And what it wants to be like is like Pastry. Get your hands in it. Just gently go around. And that's it, guys. And that's what we do. Now, what you're going to do now, we let that cool down before we use it. Right, guys, the first thing you want to do is blanch off your vegetables. That's popping them into boiling hot water for 1 minute, stirring it around a few times, and then taking it off the heat and draining them off into a bowl. Guys, you want to fry off your meat for around about 3 minutes. So you just got a bit of colour. Make sure your vegetables and meat is well cooled before making the pasties. Right, for the pasties, you want your meat. Onions. Sieve, potato, some mustard, good pinch of salt. some pepper. Then we just mix this around. And that's it. And that's your filling for your Cornish pasties. This is the pastry we done earlier. Let's scale it 4 ounces each. Small things round. Right, we'll just pin these out now. They want to be around about 3 millimeters thick. It doesn't matter if they're a little bit thicker. Well, I haven't got a cutter. This is 17 centimeters round. So basically speaking, what you do is pop it on, each one, push in, and just get a knife to go around it. Do now, guys, we'll go around the outside with them with egg wash. Put some filling in the middle. And the best way to do this is to bring them up to the centre first, like this. Make them into a sort of a pasty, like this to start with. Everyone has their own way of doing things. This is the way I find it much easier doing it like this. Like that. And then basically speaking, a bit too much flour there. Just fold over your thumb. Like that. Over your thumb. Right, now we get ourselves a tray, guys. Important thing is to put a hole in them. To let the steam out. And then what we'll do is, we just edge wash them. Right guys, we're now going to leave these for at least 1 hour, just to rest. Otherwise, as soon as you put them in the oven, they'll shrink back. Right guys, these have had a good well rest, these pasties. Now I'm going to get them into the oven. They'll be baking at a temperature of around about 420 Fahrenheit. Or in new money, 200 Celsius. For around about 35 minutes. Right guys, the pasties are ready. Well guys, that puts an end to the latest video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do check out the description below for the recipe and also my playlists. And we'll see you again in the next one. Please do subscribe and share. Laters!